I was looking at Sacramento's real estate market trend and I saw something and I want to share it with you. Let's go to my computer. We are looking at the average price of for sale homes, which is the green line, versus the average price of sold homes, which is the red line, for 4 counties of Sacramento, Placer, El Dorado, and Yolo counties. As you can see, back in June or May of last year, the difference between what the sellers were asking and what the buyers were willing to pay was little. And you can see that right now the distance between the two lines is significant, meaning buyers are telling them, I'm not paying you what you're asking, I'm paying you a lot less, and the sellers are accepting their offers, and that's how this graph is created. Now that means that buyers have got more negotiation power now than they did before, and the minute that interest rates go down and buyers start going back to the market and buying, you're going to start losing that negotiation power. If you need somebody to negotiate on your behalf, give me a call.